Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Bethel, Kizaj, whatever you know me as. So today's video, I'm going to be making my hair for like the first time. It's going to be faux locks. So first of all, I'm horrible at making parts, so I decided to do this first step. You really don't need to do it because it's not exactly necessary. So I go ahead to part my hair into sections and braid it down because it's easier for me. I don't know how to just like part my hair without it being braided originally. So that's what I'm just doing. And oh, did I mention this is actually the first time I'm doing faux locks on my hair by myself, and it's going to be the individuals, which is a little bit harder than regular faux locks. This is a nice time to tell you to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video at the end, please let me know what you think in the comment section and give it a thumbs up. So after braiding it, I'm going to use that hair growth oil which I got from FAUX LOCS to just, I don't know what I'm doing with it, but just put it on my hair. And after that, I'm going to start loosening it like one by one. I'm making parts and braiding it individual, just like you see. So you really don't need to do that first step of like originally braiding the actual hair. You could just go straight to this part. I did that because this is just much easier for me because I'm like a novice at hair making. So after I'm done with the individual braids, I'm going to go in with a series of products to put on my hair. First, I'm going to put the hair butter, which I also got from FAUX LOCS, on the hair, not on the scalp, on the hair. I use the hair butter on my hair just to, help it last longer, I guess. Then next, I go with the edge repair cream because as you can see, my edges are like dead. They've joined their ancestors. So I just put that there. For which reason again I do not know, but that cream actually helps rebuild my edges. And then I go in again with the hair growth oil which I showed you before, and then massage my scalp. Then this is my best product, the guava hair tonic. I don't know why, but I just love this product so much. It helps moisturize my hair and it also helps with the length. So the hair I'll be using is a 20-inch featureless braid soft faux lock large. I'm just reading what's on the pack, but I got it for like $5.99 at the beauty supply store. So I think you can find it at any beauty supply store. And it's really the first faux lock I'm doing by myself, so I think it's okay for the first time or any time. It's pretty cheap, and I ended up using 2 packs, so that's like spending $12 on my hair. Okay, so now here's the actual tutorial. First off, I put the crochet pin into the hair like you can see, and then pull the faux lock through it, and then put my hair inside first, and then I put the faux lock thingy inside too, and then I tighten it. Like make sure it's really tight or it's going to come loose. Then I put the crochet pin through the faux lock as you can see, and then I'm going to pull my actual hair through that. It's pretty easy. Then you just try to hide the tips inside. So I'm going to do this again without me talking so you can see what I'm actually doing. So after 4 hours and me sitting through 3 movies, this is what happened. I was really surprised at the outcome, being the fact that this is my first time ever doing this. I think you guys should really try this. Okay, so again I'm going to rub some more edge cream, for which reason I still do not know, but I put more edge cream on my hair. So now it's time to gemmerize my hair. I just made up that word. It's time to put the gems or the beads. Yeah, the beads. It's time to put the beads on my hair. And I chose gold, to make the grey pop out. So 2 weeks later, and I decided to finally put on makeup on my face, and I think I look awesome. But that's not the point. The point is the hair still stayed, and it didn't even look that rough after 2 weeks. And I do not know how to manage hair. So if this hair still maintained itself like this, it's really, really good. Thank you guys for watching this video to this extent and putting up with me thinking I'm a fine girl. Anywho, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on my next video. And do not forget to share. Please share with your friends and let me know if you're gonna try this. Bye.